Good morning, Year 3. Today it's Monday, and hopefully the last week, I don't know, we're still waiting on more details. But let's tackle this positive. So for mathematics, this week we are going to do ordinal numbers. Remember I told you in the class the previous week that it's all about first, second, third, the position that a person takes in a race or wherever. Okay, so when we start at the top, it says, first watch the YouTube video. Now I'll send the link via WhatsApp. Now there will be two, I think it's part 1 and part 2, where I explain how ordinal numbers work. And then there's also a video coming to show you the English, and also a video coming to show you the phonics. So that's the whole picture that you're going to get today. So you have to watch the video first. Please don't try to work on memory, and listen to the voice, to the instructions, that you know which work needs to be done in which book. Okay, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Those we use every day. They are called cardinal numbers. And then we get ordinal numbers showing position, which position a person is standing in a queue, in a race, and so on. So it's not that difficult. We picked an easier topic so that you don't need to struggle by yourself with the difficult ones. So for Monday, you do activity 1 and 2. I'll get to them now. You study the 6 to the 12 times table. I gave you that little card thingy last week. And just a few tips. If you multiply by 10, you only add a 0 to the number. If you multiply by 11, it's double the digits. For example, 5 times 11 is 55. Only when you get to 11 times 11 and 11 times 12, the answers will be different. Okay, so let's have a look at activity number 1. It looks like this. You just need to read carefully. Put an X in the 2nd, 12th, 13th, and 15th block. So it means 2nd, 1, 2, 2nd. So you're going to make a cross there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 12th one. The 13th one. 14, 15, 16. Oh, 15. That's 15. And make one over there as well. So make sure that you follow the instructions properly. And then activity 2. There they remind you what we call them. And it's a code-breaking secret message worksheet. So if it says 6, you go to 6 and you put an F there. 9th, I, put an I there. 14th, there's 14, put a 9, an N there. And 4th, D, put a D there. So there will be a nice secret message. And then you're done with the mathematics. Remember to do in the mental maths. The mental maths we indicated, remember last week, you guys had to do all the previous activities that we indicated, and we wrote dates on them, so you can't miss them. Let me quickly get, you have to turn your page all the way so you find week 5. Can you see week 5, Monday? There's also, write the small letters next to it. Is it 2nd or 5th? Write the small letters at the back of the word next to the numbers. That's the way that we spell it, and that's how we use it. And then match the sentence to the picture. Is 10th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that's correct. She is 5th. Now find the one that's 5th and connect the dots. And that is all you have to do in mathematics today. So let's go to English quickly. English is the instructions. Monday, watch the video. Your teacher sent discussing the new spelling words. I will do it just now. And then read through the passage and highlight all the words. You remember we always do that. and then complete activity 1. So let's go to that piece. There's your spelling words. I went through the spelling words in phonics, so you will receive a video for that. Then the reading passage is this. I'm not going to read it for you. I think someone else can do it at home. Let me quickly do it. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only, the irreplaceable Ace Kincaid. Slowly the stage started to fill up with thick white mist, and the lights in the stadium dim. World leaders say what he does is illegal. Critics think he is illogic, but the people find him irresistible. Suddenly a masked man walks through the mist, and the crowd roars wildly. Drums start beating rhythmically. Sorry about that one, in the dark. Ace Kincaid waves his arms in irregular patterns to the thudding of the drums. The thick mist starts swirling around and around the stage. The mist graciously transforms into a giant bird made of ice and gently soars over the crowd in the huge stadium. As the bird grows bigger and bigger, Ace flutters his wings, forming illegible words. Suddenly the giant ice bird explodes into thousands of silver coins. The crowds laugh and cheer as they pick up the expensive coins. Irrelevant to this, Ace starts to float in the air. As the spotlight shines on him, he floats higher and higher to the glass roof of the stadium. In a loud voice, Ace shouts, "Do not be irresponsible with the gifts I gave you, and never stop having fun." He throws his arms wide open, and the glass roof shatters into a million glass shards. As the pieces fall, they change into beautiful snowflakes, covering the stadium in white snow. The drums stop, the lights go out, and Ace Kincaid disappears in thin air. Isn't that a cool story? So then you have to highlight the ir and the il words. That's the reading passage for you. And then activity 1 is a phonics activity. Sorry, this one was printed a little bit small. I already told you in the video about the meanings, but you still have to go through these and then read through the sentences and decide which ones of these words will fit into the sentences according to the description. And that's your work for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll speak again. Bye-bye.